Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to install Xstore WordPress theme and import the demo content. So simply you can go here themeforest.net, then you can get the theme from here. After that you will get the zip file. So this one is my demo website. Now I can add /wp-admin /wp-admin, then press enter. Now after that we need to install the theme. Before that I want to install the Elementor plugin. Here you can go and search for Elementor Pro, then you can open this website and get the Elementor plugin. So you can build any type of website using Elementor. After that let me go here and try to install the plugin. Before that we need to install the Elementor free. Install it, and after that we need to activate the plugin. Now again let's go back to the plugin section, and here we need to upload the Elementor Pro file. Click here upload, and then select the zip file. So let me go here in D drive, then select this file. After that click here install button. Make sure that file format is zip format. Now activate the plugin. Scroll down, settings, then permalinks. Scroll down, make sure that you have selected this option. Now click here appearance, and here we need to add the theme. Click here add theme option, then upload theme, then select the theme file. Let me go back. This one is the theme file. Just you can click on install button. Theme is installed. Click here activate button. Then click here let's go. After that you can select the website language. Click here, then click continue button. So different languages are available. After that here you can add the site title and tagline. After that click here save and continue. Now here you need to install the child theme. Click here. Child theme is installed, then click here next button. Here you can see these are the different pre-built websites that you can select. Let me scroll down. and I want to select this one. You can preview it before importing. Click here import button. So now it will ask to install some required plugins that are required. So these are the few plugins. Click here install and activate all the plugins. So it can take few minutes to install all of these plugins. Click here continue button. Then here you can see these are different options. So if you want to select this one full, then it will import each and everything. You can also uncheck this one, then you need to select some particular pages that you want to add, then click here install demo data. So here you can see it is installing. So let's wait for a few minutes. At this moment website demo import is complete. Now we can view the website. Click here. And then click here store coming soon. Then scroll down, click here this one live. Click here save changes. Here you can see website is ready to use. Now if you want to change this one menu, then simply you can go on menu page. Just you need to go on the top left corner and then click on menu. Then on this page, here you can see these are the menu items. You can add any of the item from here, then you can easily remove the item from here. Then scroll down, click here save menu. After that, if you want to add the products, then simply you can go here all products. You can easily remove, add and export anything from here. Here you can see these are the different products that are added in website. So just you can edit any of the product, then you can add your own details. After that on the top click here to add the new product. Then to add the payment method, simply you can go here WooCommerce then settings. Then click here payments. Scroll down, here you can see these are the different payment methods that you can easily enable. And after that, one last step, that how you can change this text. On the top here you can see this one, edit with Elementor. So click here. After that, here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. Then scroll down, here you can select any of the text from here. For example, let me select this one. Here you will see this one pencil button. After that, on the left side here you can add your own text. In this way you can easily edit this one website header as well as website footer from here. Just you need to go and select this one header then footer.